monsoon mayhem continues to batter India. A major cloudburst near Dehradun has triggered severe flash floods in Uttarakhand's Shastradhara area, leaving at least 2 people missing and causing extensive damage. Heavy rains since last night have battered the region, sweeping debris into the main market and damaging hotels, shops and religious sites. The Tapkeshwar Mahadev temple was heavily affected with up to 2 feet of debris following, flooding in the premises, and also it submerged parts of the temple complex. The Tamsa river is in full spate while the Chandrabhaga river in Rishikesh has also flooded nearby highways, stranding vehicles and prompting rescues by the SDRF team. Landslides in Pittorgarh have caused road closures and forced the postponement of the second phase of the Adi Kailash Yatra. The authorities have declared holidays for schools and Anganwadi centres in Dehradun, Nainital and Pittorgarh following a red alert issued for heavy to very heavy rainfall. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has assured that the district administration, SDRF and police are actively engaged in relief and rescue operations, closely monitoring the situation and providing assistance to affected areas. The administration continues to urge people to stay away from rivers and danger zones as the rescue efforts are underway. Uttarakhand once again facing the fury of monsoon. Cloudburst near Dehradun has triggered flash floods in Shastradhara. 2 people are missing is what we're learning. Several areas hit hard. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Sakshi Litorio, who joins me on the phone line with more details on the same. Once again, Sakshi, Uttarakhand facing the flood fury. The monsoon mayhem continues. What we've been given to understand is that 2 people are missing. We're not even talking about the, damage extent here. We're just talking about what exactly we know so far. What is the latest that you're really picking up from our reporters on ground?
Correctly highlighted, Neha, this year's monsoon has proved to be the worst as far as for people of Uttarakhand is concerned, and not only Uttarakhand but all the hilly states. We have been witnessing many cloudbursts, landslides and inundation happening in many of the states. Speaking of Uttarakhand and the latest cloudburst that has triggered massive flash floods over there, let me just quickly walk our viewers through the latest updates that we have received this morning from our sources posted in Dehradun. We've been given to understand that the Meteorological Center Dehradun has forecasted heavy to very heavy rainfall in Dehradun, Nainital as well as Pithoragarh districts on September 16th, which is today. Now, in view of this, authorities have declared a holiday for all the Anganwadi centers and school from class 1st to 12 in Dehradun and Nainital, while in Pithoragarh the closure will apply specifically to the development blocks of Dharachula, Hunsiari and also Didihat. Due to heavy rains on Monday night, Kalsia Nala in Godam area of Nainital district was overflowing is what we've been given to understand, as the district administration also kept appealing to people through loudspeakers to be cautious and not to go near the drain or drain areas. Now, cloudburst in Karligarh of Sahasradhara, like you have correctly highlighted, that's the most dangerous area at the moment. It has caused massive devastation is what we've been given to understand through our sources. Now, due to this cloudburst, the water level in the river has also increased and the roads have turned into rivers, as we can clearly see through the chilling visuals coming in straight from the spot on our screens. Now, Salona Road has been completely damaged. People were seen on the roads at night to avoid danger. We have also been given to understand that road, a part of a highway from Dehradun to Haridwar has also swept away. According to local people, some hotel resorts have also been swept away due to water. And the latest that we have is that SDRF and NDRF team, which were deployed earlier, have already reached the spot. They have started their rescue works. Chandrabhaga River in Rishikesh has been in spate since morning. That's the latest update. It has caused the water to reach the highway.
Sakshi, just, help us understand how bad is the situation in Uttarakhand right now and what's really the big picture that's emerging from this cloudburst and heavy rain?
Certainly, it's a time bomb that's clicking at the moment. If we have to speak about, the climate changes that we have been seeing, it's drastic in nature. Certainly, this is something that, the authorities, the people living in these areas who have been involved in massive urbanization of these hilly states have to ponder on. They will have to think about, the capacity of these states, the terrains, of course, what and how much is at the moment required. And speaking of, the danger, the damage that has been caused, I've, highlighted that how some parts of roads have been swept away, how multiple organizations have been shut for the day, and how an alert has already been alarmed for the people over there. Rescue operations are currently underway, Neha. Apart from two people that you have mentioned in your introduction of, being missing, we have now been given to understand three people have also been stranded in the river, but they have been rescued by the SDRF team. While there are multiple vehicles that still remain stuck in the water, and this is the official statement of SDRF. They have highlighted the current situation in the state. And now, due to heavy rains in Dehradun, which has been happening since last night, the river Sahasradhara got flooded dangerously, and the debris came into the main market, causing damage to the hotel, to resorts, to multiple shops over there, to multiple vehicles which were parked there. As you can see, people have now resorted to using boat on the roads because it's completely inundated underwater. River Sahasradhara was flooded due to heavy rains in Dehradun since last night. And like I said, that even the main market has taken a serious hit.
Right. Thank you very much, Sakshi, for joining us with those important details.